Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Google Drive file picker to a mobile app. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To connect Google Drive file picker to your mobile app, start by setting up a Google Cloud project. Sign in to the Google Cloud Console. Create a new project or select an existing one. Enable the Google Drive API in your project. Navigate to the Library section in the API and Services menu. Search for Google Drive API and click on it. Then, click on the Enable button. Next, go to the Credentials section. Click on Create Credentials and select OAuth 2.0 Client IDs. Configure the consent screen by providing the required app information. Set the application type to Android or iOS, depending on your mobile platform. Provide the package name and SHA-1 certificate fingerprint for Android, or the bundle ID for iOS. Once the credentials are set, copy the client ID. Now, integrate the Google Drive file picker into your mobile app. For Android, add the dependency for Google Drive API in your build.gradle file. For iOS, use the Google Sign-in SDK. Implement the authentication logic in your app to obtain an access token. Create an instance of the file picker and customize its properties. For Android, use the intent to launch the file picker. For iOS, use the Google Drive file picker interface provided by the SDK. Handle the resulting data returned by the file picker. Process the selected files and display them as needed in your app. Test the integration on a physical device to ensure it's functioning correctly. Finally, refine the user interface for a seamless experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.